everyone, and welcome to a brand new adventure. Now this adventure is a brother and sister special. We are going to a bit of a hidden gem in Wales. It is a lake that sounds like a swear word. It's like Llyn y Fan Fach, which is pretty easy to remember for that reason. But me and Emily are going to be hiking and hopefully wild camping here, watching the sunset. It is a gorgeous day in Wales, and it is actually Emily's first time wild camping. How are you feeling?
Good, excited.
Yeah? Me too. It is a stunning place. The mountains around here look incredible, and we're just starting it off right beside a gorgeous stream, so it doesn't get much better than this. Emmys, what do you think of it so far?
So beautiful with the stream running across the side of the path. It's amazing.
It really is. Guys, this hike is truly, truly stunning. We're sort of following like a waterfall path all the way up to where the lake is going to be. It is gorgeous, and it's such a beautiful day for it. Look at that, it's a big old hunk of sandwiches. It is cold. It is cold. However, look where we're gonna swim. Yeah, but you gotta think where we're gonna swim. This is pretty amazing. Definitely bucket list stuff. Alright, this is the first point of contact.
Oh, that's freezing, Josh. That's not even funny how freezing that is.
It's so cool. Ready to sit? 3, 2, 1, go! Alright, great swim everyone, really good job.
10 out of 10 foot swim here again.
the storm is raging in your head, when you feel there's nothing more ahead. The hills, they seem all green, but they hide all the monsters. And you kept holding my hand as you reached for water. On the hills by the lake, you were chasing your dream, and I gave you a rose that you kept on seeing, kept on seeing. It was worth the fight. When the stars glow bright, the summer's old. In the misty bright moonlight, I were told. When the storm is raging in your head, you feel there's nothing more ahead.
Bit of a problem. It seems like the car park does not allow for wild camping, so we're gonna have to put an end to the wild camping part of this adventure. But I think the most exciting bit is still gonna happen. We got here chicken curry, spaghetti bolognese. Me and Emily are gonna be having a camping feast of a dinner right now. We are doing it in just a stunning area right by the running river. There's waterfalls up there. It's just awesome. These are dehydrated meals, so you just pop in the water and then you just eat it. That's what it looks like. Mmm, delicious. Are you excited, Emmys, to try?
Yeah. Yeah, I am. Woo!
Okay, and then leave it for 6 minutes. Chef Emily.
Hi guys, welcome to Cooking with Emily. Today we'll be making rice and chicken curry.
Whoa!
Oh, yummy, yummy.
Oh, that looks delicious. Oh, wow. I am indeed very lucky to eat such a delicious looking feast. Emily is gonna try hers first. Spaghetti bolognese.
Yeah.
We have been extremely excited about this.
Oh, it actually looks interesting.
That looks, mmm,
Yummy.
yummy scrummy.
Yummy scrummy. All right. Here goes.
Oh.
It's not bad.
Really?
It's quite nice.
Yeah?
The cheese is really good.
Oh, wow, so thumbs up.
Oh, you know, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, 7 out of 10. 7 out of 10.
That is not bad. All we did was bung some water in that, so all things considering, that's awesome. Now it's time for me to try my chicken curry. It looks good. I gotta admit, it looks a bit better than yours.
Oh, it actually does.
That's really good.
Hey!
That's really good.
Hey!
Oh my goodness. What an awesome adventure today. What a way to end it with delicious food. I am well and truly surprised. With this delicious dinner, we're gonna eat up and end the adventure here. Unfortunately, we couldn't do wild camping. It'll have to come up in another video. But how did you find it, Emily? Your sort of first adventure, me and you together?
It was so much fun. Really, really an epic day. Love being out in the wilderness. It was just so cool.
Emily was awesome. Honestly, I was getting tired up in the mountain. Emily just kept on going. Definitely a natural adventurer. And we had a really fun day today, just goofing around in nature in a really stunning place. And Wales, thank you very much for giving us great weather to do this adventure in. Really recommend this place for coming for a short hike. You get mountains, you get lakes, you get rivers and waterfalls. It's perfect. But now we're gonna eat up and end the video here. Thanks, Emmy. So much fun.